Hey everybody, MulkeyFilms here. I got a Green Science Solar Rover kit here, and this is something you can pick up at most kids stores. This is a steam powered kids kit, okay, and it's for ages over 5, and I have a kid here to help me assemble it. And here's the back. Here's what all the pieces look like. Okay, now it does have 2 different bodies. Okay, we're using a soda can, of course, but it also comes with a clear piece of plastic, which kind of makes it look like a shoe. So anyways, the kit took us about maybe 10 minutes to put together, and let's go ahead and enough talking, let's show you how it works. Okay, so there goes the soda can. All right, it's in the sun. Okay, sometimes you got to get a direct angle here. There it goes. Okay, now here we're going to adjust the mirrors a little bit. In direct sunlight, it goes pretty well. You can already hear the wheels turning. So all right, here it goes. All right, we did it. We're going to take it out onto the road now, and going to go ahead and give it a try. You can hear the gears turning. Now, one thing about this kit, the one thing that it doesn't come with is you actually need to lubricate the gears. So they recommend trying to do either a lotion or cooking oil. So I had a little bit of olive oil and went ahead and put that on the gears, and we'll see how it holds up. We're gonna go drive down the street. We're gonna see how far how far it goes on solar power alone. There it goes. Evening sun. Yeah, go ahead and block the light and show it stopping. Nice. Okay, now move back. All right, this is our Solar Rover. It's going up a hill. We got optimal sunlight. All right, it's crawling up into the shade. Oh, guess our hill's a little too steep. We'll give it a little push here. And yeah, right when it gets to the edge of the shadow, that's it. All right, and a screw down here will help hold your can in place. Without the screw, the can wants to come out. So be sure, pro tip, put the screw in the back right here. It'll help keep your can in place. There's a little lip on the front here. Excuse me, a little lip on the front that holds it right there. And for this one, we used a let's see, this is the probiotic soda. These are Poppies, that's right. Yeah, Poppy. You can buy them at Target. They're they're good soda, but the cans work really well. They're just a little bit thicker than the other soda cans, I think. So thanks for watching. This is MulkeyFilms, kind of a little review on the Green Science Solar Rover kit. All right. Oh, we got a car coming. Oh, okay, we'll get going here.